Hey guys, welcome to this section on sorting and filtering. During our last class, we looked at how we could find and replace data. In this class, we'll be looking at how we can sort and filter data. Now, what does it mean to sort? To sort means to arrange. Okay, so it means to arrange. So how do we arrange these data that we have? Now, if you want to sort your data, what you need to do is to go to your Home tab, then go to Editing. Now you see the filter there that you have sort and filter. Okay, so you click here. So I want to sort the manufacturer's column. So I'll select manufacturing and I'll go straight to sort and filter. Now the first option that I have here is sort A to Z. Sort A to Z means sort in alphabetical order because what I am selecting is a text. Okay, so what I have within that column are text. So if I click on this, you can see it has been sorted, okay, from A to Z. So it started with the numeric and later went on. So if I scroll down, you realize that you can see A, B, so you can see A, B, C, D, and the rest of them. So this is how we can sort. The other way we can sort is from Z to A. Sort from Z to A. So you can see Zebra and all the manufacturers that you have here. So this is how we conduct sorting for text. What about how do we sort numeric values? If I want to sort numeric value, like take for instance sales, I can come here and click here, and you can see the option has changed from smallest to largest and from largest to smallest because I am dealing with a numeric value. So if I select smallest to largest, you can see the smallest sales will show up. And if I come back again and click largest to smallest, you can see the largest sale up here. So this is how we can sort. Now, if I want to sort it in this format, whereby I want to sort the manufacturers first and later sort the sales based on the manufacturer, I can do that also in Excel. This brings us to custom sorting in Microsoft Excel. So I'll come here and click on sort and filter and select custom sorting. Now from my custom sort, what I'll need to do is, you can see this button here. This is add level, delete level, copy level, and other options. To add level means you want to add a level of sorting. Okay, so that's what it means. So how do we get this done? We get this done by clicking on add levels. You can see sort by and then by. So I want to sort first of all by manufacturer. I'm selecting Z to A and then by sales. And the sales I want to select from largest to smallest. So if I click OK, what can we see? For Zebra, the largest sale for Zebra was 4,644. The least sale for Zebra is what? Is 10. The largest sale for Extra Life is 88. And if you scroll down, we can see the least sales for Extra Life. So this is how we conduct custom sorting. Now the next concept we want to look at is filtering. The question is, what is filtering? So to filter simply means to take some data off that you don't want to see and to keep some. So the question is, how do we conduct filtering in Microsoft Excel? To filter the eastern region within the region, what I just need to do is to click on the drop down and uncheck select all and select the eastern region and click OK. So all the data I'm seeing here is what? Is east. Now, but you can see the filter button here. Unlike the sort button is different. Sort will show you your arrow in a direction, while filter will show you the funnel. So if I want to remove the filter from this, what will I do? I'll just come here, click here, and I'll select all of them again. Okay, so that means the filter has gone off. So I can go back again. Let's take for instance, the second way I can do the same thing is for me to come up here and uncheck, and I'll come and click on clear filter. So if I do this, it will remove the filter. So if I want to remove the filter button from showing on each of the columns, I'll just click here to uncheck that. So we've seen so far how we can filter and how we can sort our data. In our next class, we'll be looking at how we can freeze a pane so that we can have a better view of our data. See you in the next class.